decided to make one of my most favorite dishes, and that's the one with tofu. So what I did find is a really nice tofu paneer, and I also found some very interesting masala breads to go with it. So let's just see how we're going to put this together. So this is what I'm using right now. It's called the dhania tofu soya paneer, and I have with me some masala bread that I took from the supermarket, and these are some of the usual ingredients you can just use to make this really super delicious dish. So in a frying pan, it could be a non-stick one or it could be just a normal pan. Add some oil, and to it add the tofu, the salt, some chili powder, and add some mayo and mustard to it. I have also topped it with some tomato puree, so it goes really well. So all you have to do is mix it up. You can crush this paste the way that you want, or you can leave it as cubes. I'm going to be crushing it because I want to fill in the bread with it, so I would like to crush it a little. And let it cook because it's just out from the refrigerator, so just let it cook. You can see how well it all comes together. So the tofu is ready. I'm just going to be toasting the slices now. So there you go. There are these 4 slices. Then I have the toasting and then filling in the tofu in between. And you have it ready. You can have it for breakfast, you can have it for lunch, or even if you just like something light during your dinner or just about any time of the day, you could just have it. So I'm just going to be filling this. You barely need to toast it for like 5 minutes and it's all good. It's my super simple tofu sandwich that's ready, and you could just have it any time of the day. You could have it with a nice lemonade, you could just steam it up with some coffee or any drink that you really enjoy having. Okay then, I'll see you in the next video.